Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista. We gon' show. Alright y'all, so as you can see in the title, this video is a bit different because I had to jump on the bandwagon and go ahead and update my phone to iOS 14. All the Apple lovers, hey y'all, hey. Apple lover, that's me. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. Obviously, you went ahead and clicked on this video for one reason and one reason only, because you're an Apple lover and you want to go ahead and see what I did to my phone, and I want to see what you did to your phone. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Let me know, DM me, let me know. Home with a Naturalista, no space. But it's really fun. I really actually like this update. There is like 2 things that bothers me with the update itself, but I'm gonna leave that for later on in the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and input my phone right here so you can see what I see, so we can see together. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my first screen on my iPhone. The iOS 14 is really dope. I love the fact that we can customize our phone to our liking. So I was on the iffy about, do I want bright colors? Do I want nudes? Do I want brown? I had no idea, but I went ahead and did like a brown nude kind of feel. I wanted to go ahead and just allow the brown and melanin-ness in my phone, you know what I'm saying? So the first 2 things you need is WidgetSmith as well as color widgets. I did go ahead and download that. So you just go ahead and go to the App Store and download that. Now keep in mind, all the apps for your iOS 14 is, everyone's phone is looking just like this, which is my 3rd screen, which is the app library. I kind of like it because it just keeps everything together and more organized and kind of put everything to where it belongs. So as you can see, like productivity and finance, if you just double click on that, and okay, no, hold on. So you just click on it and it will basically show everything productivity and finance. So it has my calendar, Cash App, Chase, Credit Karma, Fidelity, Toyota, Credit Union, State Farm, and all that good stuff. I like the fact that it just kind of does its thing and knows what to do or where to put everything. Creativity, the creativity box, you can go ahead and see that it literally has like all my editing apps for me to do YouTube and everything, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so that's the #1 thing, that everyone's update is gonna have app library, which is usually the last screen, whether you have 3 screens or 2. What do I mean by that? Basically, as you can see, I'm scrolling. This is my 1st screen, this is my 2nd screen, this is my 3rd screen. You can have more than 1 screen, and in order to do so, you basically hold down. There's 2 dots right at the bottom, and you can hold it down. Everything is wiggling, as you can see, right? So the 3 dots that's on the bottom, you'll click on that like that, and then as you can see, I have the top 2 edit pages. It says edit pages, and the 2 pages on the top are checked and the bottom one is not. The bottom one is actually, I'm gonna click it so you guys can kind of see. I'm usually like all the apps that I really do not use, so I went ahead and hid that. So I'm gonna press done. So to start off, as I said, you need to go to the App Store and basically get Widget. Let's search for it. WidgetSmith, which came up right there. You'll go ahead and download that, and right underneath you'll see that it says color widgets. Okay, so you'll download that. I have both of those. Now to start off, I went ahead and went to Pinterest and I literally typed in, and I think you guys seen it, I'm gonna be able to input what I did earlier, brown aesthetic wallpaper. I did Black Girl Magic because I wanted to keep my page kind of like very Afrocentric as much as I can. And I'm sorry I keep looking down, but I'm looking at my phone. So like this one, this Vogue one, I went ahead and did download, and this is actually, I think, the app for my, I don't remember, I'll show you in a little bit. But you'll just go to the 3 dots at the bottom, just in case you don't know. Everyone kind of know Pinterest, but right there you'll see that it says download image, and which I did, and then it's in my photos. I literally downloaded every picture that I liked to my phone. So let's go into photos, and I'm going to show you. So these are all the pictures that I literally downloaded, starting from, I was originally gonna do this color scheme, which I really like, but I think I'll do that in another time. I just kind of wanted to keep it in the brown. This is so cute to me. I really liked it, and I use it from my Yahoo Mail app. There's some stuff that's in here that I haven't actually used yet. This is the picture that I use for my screensaver as my lock screen, but this is what you're seeing in my actual wallpaper for my phone itself. So we're gonna come out of that, and we're gonna go through from the beginning of my phone. So on the top left, which is probably your right, is showing the calendar, which I downloaded from WidgetSmith. I'm gonna go into WidgetSmith. Let me go through the app library, WidgetSmith. So it basically shows you small widget, medium widgets, and large widgets. As you can see, these are some options that I went ahead and saved and things of that sort. So really just go through it real quick, because I know there's tons of videos that you can literally watch, and you do not have to watch this one, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea, just in case this is the first video you're watching. But you go ahead and click on, so basically small number 1 is what I used, right? So you go ahead, click on that, and then because it's already done, it's kind of hard, but I did go scroll. You have so many options. You have the options of time, you have the options of date, and you have the option of customizing, as well as calendar. I went ahead and used it as a calendar to basically link it to the calendar on my phone. You can go ahead and change the font, as well as the tint color, as well as the background color, and the border as well for that. When you go ahead and save it, in order to put it on your phone, you're gonna go ahead and hold down so everything could shake. You're gonna go to the plus sign, scroll all the way down to WidgetSmith, and then you're gonna go ahead and add widget, and let me just put it. See, and then it came up twice, basically it. So I'm gonna remove that because that was just to show you guys. Now, it's really cool, the fact that you can change the cover of each app. I love it. It kind of helped to make my phone look dope. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the color scheme. Down at the three parts here, this is the phone. And as you can see what just happened, when I click phone, which is at the bottom left, which is probably your right, where you see the yellow phone booth. When you click on it, it goes to shortcuts, and then it goes to your actual app. That's the only thing that I do not like, because of the simple fact that it cuts through shortcuts to go to your app. Again, I'm gonna show you the one with the yellow car. This is my GPS. It's gonna go to shortcuts, and then it open Waze. Is it a huge wait? No, it's not. But it doesn't go straight to it. As well as keep in mind, if someone calls you and you missed the call, right? And you usually have the app that says phone, which is right here, right? Well, the app, I'm showing you the app here. You will have like the notification 1 missed call. For the shortcuts, you do not get notifications at all. You do not get notifications for the app. For the shortcuts, I'm sorry. So keep that in mind. You'll always probably have to go over to app library to go ahead and see your notifications, unless your phone is locked and you have it set up that you'll see missed calls and whatever on your lock screen. You'll be safe. The only 2 things that I said earlier in the video that I did not like about this, but for the most part, the fact that I can customize to the liking of what I want is really awesome. What I wish it could have done was if I was able to put a different wallpaper on each page, that would have been really awesome. But it's probably coming, I'm pretty sure, because Apple's very smart. But I did want that, as well as the fact I wish it didn't have to go through shortcuts for the shortcut, and I wish the notifications can come through on the shortcuts. That's the only 3 things. So I'm very happy with the iOS 14. It's really dope. I'm pretty sure there's other things I can do. I'm just playing around with it. I myself are watching other videos to try to get some ideas, but for the most part, I absolutely love how my phone is looking right now. And it's really exciting just to customize the phone to what you like. So do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Go ahead and comment if you have any questions. Go ahead down below. Pinterest is your friend. Widgets are your friend. iOS 14 is the bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.